Hello everyone, welcome to my channel NS Academy. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about C language, lecture number 4. If you not watched the previous tutorials, please watch them. Link is in the description and you can download notes from the description. Now we are going to discuss about strings in C and definition section using compiler. Now we are moving with compiler. I will explain how to write a program of string in C. It means characteristic function as we discussed in previous tutorial, and we will go with the definition section. As we discussed in previous tutorial about strings in C program, now we are going another example to discuss about strings in the C language. Of course, we already know that hashtag include less than stdio.h is an header file section, and we can give single line comment or multi-line comment using this function called double backslashes. Now this is the header file section, and then this is the main function. I'm giving single line comment. If you want to use the multi-line comment, you can use by keeping backslash star, and then you can write any statement and then again star backslash. If I run this program, these two lines, header file section and main function, will not be executed. I'm running this program now. Yes, see, welcome to NS Academy lecture number 4. Okay, lecture -4. Okay, now I'm going to discuss about characteristics, means character function in using compiler. Character function using compiler. Of course, these are main function and this is this header file section. Now I'm going to write, I'm rubbing this printf statement. Welcome to NS Academy. Now I'm going to take another example on characteristic function, which we have been discussed in the previous lecture. Now I am taking characteristic function and I'm taking like this character char person1, and I'm creating an array and giving the size as 20. 20 is the largest size for the characteristic function. In C language, the string character function has the size maximum 20 bytes only. You can't give more than 20. The last size of the characteristic function is 20. Now I am taking now int number. Now I am going to write and declare and execute the program. Executing program is nothing but printing a statement. So printf. Now printf, what is your name? What is your name? And then scanf, because it will scan from the user. It will scan from the user. Scanf %s comma person1. I won't use ampersand symbol here. If I use ampersand symbol, it will show error because this is not an variable. We are created an array. Therefore, we won't use ampersand symbol at scanf statement while using array function or string of a program. Okay. Now I'm going to write another statement called printf double quotes. How many friends do you have? How many friends do you have? Again, scanf %d comma ampersand number. Why I have given ampersand symbol now here? Because int I am taken characteristic function for a program called this. What is your name? Printf, what is your name? And I have given scanf %s person1. And for the integer variable, for int number, I have taken the question as how many friends do you have? So it will print. User want to print the number of friends he has, so that it will be executed the program. So for int is a variable. Therefore, we want to use ampersand symbol here. Okay, but characteristic is not in a variable. So we will create an array for that. And the array size is 20. We can't use the array size will be not more than, it will not exceed the 20 size. It has 20 byte size. If I run this program now, I will ask the question as what is your name. If I print, I will enter and then I will print NS Academy as my name. Now again, I press enter. How many friends do you have? I have 10 friends. I have 10 friends. Now the program has been executed with exit code 0. Press enter the exit console. It means the program has been successfully output. It means the output has been given successfully. Okay, program has been run successfully. Now if I run this program again, okay, now I will show you one thing. If I run this program, it has been asked what is your name. Now I am printing NS and I'm taking a gap of tab space and I'm taking NS Academy. Now if I press enter, program will be run directly. It means it won't, how many friends do you have? It means it won't be a scan statement from user. It means it won't ask the user to print the statement, because we have given space between NS and Academy. NS and Academy, we have given space. So we won't use space between NS and Academy. So we want to use without space, so that the question will be asked in the new line. So the question has been asked in the new line after the first statement. If I use space between the NS and Academy, the second question answer has been taken like Academy. Second question answer will be taken like Academy. Therefore, the program will run directly. And after pressing NS gap Academy, if I run this program, it will directly show that the program finished. And this is the example for characteristic function. Now I'm going to discuss about definition section at here. What is the definition section? We want to define a variable so that the program will be executed. So I'm erasing this. Now this is the header file section, hashtag include less than stdio.h. Now I'm taking another header file. Which is nothing but definition section. That is hashtag define. Hashtag define my name, and I will use double quotes at here. NS Academy. Enter. Now this is the another definition section. It means this is the definition section. I will use single line comment to express that is a definition section. So that if I run the program, it won't be executed. So multi-line. If I want to use multi-line comment, I want to give /*. You can write any statement here. This is the definition section. And then again */. Now the program will not be executed. This is the multi-line comment which I have given in 2 lines. You can give 3 lines, 4 lines, etc. Okay. Now this is the main function. Now I'm going to print a statement. That is printf. Double quotes. I am %s. Comma. Who is me? Which is nothing but I have already declared that my name is NS Academy. So already I defined that. So that I have given here my name. Now if I run this program, it will give. It has been shown I am NS Academy. Here I want to be given a space so that it will execute exactly. Yes, I am NS Academy. So without scanning a statement or without using a scanf function, I have taken definition section and I have been printed in execution part. I had declared my name as NS Academy at definition section. And then I have executed the program called I am NS Academy from the execution part. This is the execution part. This is the execution part. Execution part. This single line and multi-line comments will not be considered on compiler in C language. Now, if I am take another section, means a new file. See, now I'm going to erase this definition section. Here we already seen that this is the main.c function. This is the main.c function. It means this is the folder called main.c. Now I am going to create a new file. I'm going to create a new file by pressing this icon, new file, or Ctrl+M. So I want to take an new file. Now I want to give new file name. Therefore, I'm giving name as nsacademy.h. Small h you want to be given. Why .h? We already learned that in previous tutorials. .h is nothing but extension. .h is extension. Okay. Therefore, I'm pressing OK. Now I have been created with another function, main.c as a one compiler and NS Academy is another compiler. I have two compilers. So I have two folders in it. So I will declare, I will define the variables at here. And I will print the statements at the main.c compiler. So see, this is now I'm taking here hashtag define name, defining name as NS Academy, enter, hashtag define age 18. So I have been defined two variables here, that is NS Academy as name and 18 as the age. So I have declared two variables. I have defined two variables called name and age. I have given name as NS Academy and age has been given as 18. Now I will print the statement in the compiler of main.c. In the folder of main.c, I will print the statement using this definition sections. Using this definition sections, I will print at there. See, so for printing of that, this is the one of the header file section, hashtag include less than stdio.h. And I want to create another header file. I want to create another header file using this nsacademy.h header file folder. So this folder to be created here as a header file. So hashtag include less than nsacademy.h. This is one of the another header file which I have been creating using this folder. Okay. So this is the another header file section. So now I will print this statement like this. Now I am going to printf double quotes my name is percentage %s and I am %d years old, and I am taking variables as name and age. Name, comma, age. These are the two functions which I have been defined at nsacademy.h folder. So from this folder, it will be print the statement. I want to give semicolon here. After giving semicolon, now at here we are getting that printf, my name is percentages and I am percentage d years old. I have taken name and age as two variables which have been given at nsacademy.h folder. Therefore, at main.c, if I run this program, the program has been executing error because I want to give you double quotes at nsacademy.h. I want to remove this greater than and less than symbols because this is a folder. Okay, so this is another header file which I have been giving as a folder from nsacademy.h. Now, if I run this program, the program will be executed. My printf, my name is percentages and I am 8% d years old, name and age. So this, if I run this program, now I have received that my name is NS Academy and I am 18 years old. This is the concept in the definition section. Using definition section, we can create number of folders using create control plus M, or we can create using clicking the symbol. Okay. If you want to download the notes, you can download the notes from the description. If you not watched the previous tutorials, please watch them. And please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon on to get the notification when video has been uploaded. Thank you.